Yeah. So in the last module, we touched on REST API, a very important component of web applications or even mobile applications, right? REST API allows your front end or your application to connect to your back end. Simple stuff. We also touched about some of the REST methods. We talked about the standards. We talked about the headers. We talked about, what again do we talk about? Method, headers, standards. We talked about the body. What would you put in the body? What would you put in the headers? What would you put in, as what methods are you going to use? In this module, we're touching on APIs at large, right? APIs are REST API is just a very special type of APIs. APIs are a lot broader than REST API. I mean, there have been API way before the standard REST API was even invented. So we're going to talk about APIs. We will talk about some REST APIs also. But beyond that, we'll actually look at actual operating system APIs, right? We'll look at some browser APIs. So beyond the scope of front-end, back-end communication, we'll look at actual APIs. Now, like I said in the last module, APIs are just a set of standards that the particular system exposes for another guy to communicate with it. So that's just it, right? So we thought, for example, for your laptop to connect to your Wi-Fi provider, your internet provider, there has to be some form of agreement, right? Both of the devices expose certain APIs that you can use to, oh yeah, so this is what you're saying, this is what you're expecting. Similar to your TV sets, when you try to increase your volume and turn on your TV exposes certain API that your control can use to communicate with, right? See you in the next module where we touch on some of the very popular APIs like Flutter with FaceTags, operating system API, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. See you there.